Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is Dwood here. We're doing this look. I want to jump right in because I am so excited, and this look just came out. I would pay $200 for this face. Like, I'm not even joking, probably even more, girl. And if it was $200, I gotta tip the girl $50. So that's a $250 face because what? Let's go ahead and jump into it. If you're interested in this look, stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe if you are not. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. Let's go ahead and jump into this makeup look. So let's go ahead and jump into some makeup. Good morning. It is literally 9 in the morning. Very rare for me to be up filming at this time. Literally almost finished that tea in one gobble. Let me get her together. I got tea all on the side of my lips. This is the look we're gonna be doing. I might darken the brown smoky, but I was really inspired by this blue eyeliner that I purchased from Ulta. If you saw my last video and I talked about the blue liner, this is the blue liner I was talking about. So I ended up picking it up, really wanted it, got it. I think I'm gonna amp it up a little bit more, but I need to get the other eye on just so I can, you know, kind of see them both at the same time. Brows are already on because I wanted them to look really nice for today's video. Normally, I don't be giving a about my brows. I just draw them on and that be that. Y'all don't even understand. I've been fiending to do my makeup, but I've not been feeling well. Honestly, October has just been very up and down for me. Let me show you guys the two palettes I'm gonna be dipping into today. So I'm gonna be grabbing this blue shade from the Ashley Strong palette. And for like all the other main colors, I'm gonna be dipping into the James Charles palette because this palette pretty much just has everything. I'm gonna dip into this shade right here in the James Charles palette. Smoky eyes are so easy, like especially brown smoky eyes. Girl, brown smoky eyes are the easiest thing ever. And this is just a big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. I'll link it down below. I'm gonna take an angled brush now, an angled fluffy brush, and dip into this shade here. And this is going in the same area. And then I'm gonna pick up this color right here. Y'all, I'm really trying to zoom through these eyes because first of all, it's a very easy eye look and I'm just excited to get to my face because that's my favorite part about doing my makeup. I haven't done color in so long. So this is so exciting to me. Okay, and then once I get that pretty much all blended out, very simple smoky eye. I'm gonna take a small pencil brush and I'm gonna dip into this really dark brown right here. Like literally just gonna grab a little bit of that color and I'm gonna use it to darken up this brown a little bit. There we go. Perfecto. All right, now let's hop into this liner. I was so excited to use this, y'all. Like, I've been wanting to do this look. Dang, I can't even get this out. I've literally been wanting to do this look since I got this eyeliner. Literally been fiending to do it ever since. So this is gonna go in my waterline, my lash line, and my top lash line. Girl, I'm watering. So for the top line, I'm just doing it kind of sloppily because I'm really just using it as a base for our blue eyeshadow. Once I get that on, top and bottom, I am gonna take a very, very small brush. I mix these two shades right here, this one and this one. And I'm just gonna use this to help me blend out that blue liner and add a little pigment to it too, because on the top it's really not that pigmented because we have the brown underneath it. So I actually really love this inner corner. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take the same brush that I used for that darker brown color. I'm gonna dip into the Ashley Strong palette and there's a shade in here called I Am Empowered, which is this like really glittery, shimmery blue. Let's pick that up. Oh my gosh, my voice. Gosh. Lord have mercy. And then this is just gonna go in the inner corner, not too much though, and on the like inner corner of the lower lash line. So the eyes are done. Let's go ahead and move on to the face. Y'all, my hands are so ashy. Ugh. So for primer, I think I'm gonna go in with the 𝐒𝐹 Power Grip Primer, because I have not used this in so long, and I just am curious to see how I like it with this Haus Labs foundation, because yes, we're using her again. And it's time for me to put that Revolution Beauty thing down, because that Super Dewy, she's tired. I done used her. She's tired. Lady Gaga Skin Tech foundation. This will be my second time using this shade, so I'm just excited to. I'm honestly just excited to get back into doing makeup. Like, y'all don't understand. I've been fiending to do my makeup again. I'm gonna do one pump on this side. That is just so pretty. I swear though, this reminds me of the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. It's just a little bit thicker and more comes out of the pump. I'm sad I gobbled down that tea like that. First of all, my hair, she's done. She's white. I used the new bleach today. Well, yesterday. And I actually really like it. Like, I like it for real. Oh, let me pull this brush out because I want to use this for my concealer. The type of memory that I have, if I want to use something and it's out of sight, I will literally forget about it. So when I have new products that I want to try, I have to like put them all out, or like new brushes or something, because I'll literally forget. This little pimple is blowing me right now. That foundation is so fucking pretty. Oh my God, Lady Gaga. You understood the assignment, baby girl. I've been kind of going like ham with my concealer lately on my clients and everything. I don't know why. Like, as soon as it got cooler, I've been like, throw the concealer on. We need concealer, we need concealer. Okay, see, look, I forgot to use this brush already. So I got this little brush from Five Below. I just really like the shape of it, and I was just curious to see how I would like it. It's called the Angled Blender by Chic Pro. And obviously I already used it. I went to a Braves game, and I just threw on a quick little face, like real natural. I wanted to film it for you guys, but it didn't happen. Yeah, this brush is like, it blends really nice. I always like to keep a paper towel near me when I'm doing my makeup, just in case I have too much product on my brush. I like to wipe the brush off so that I'm not just moving product all around. I actually want to blend the product and not smear it around. Y'all, I didn't even let this dry down. Who am I? Girl, don't let me be in here at 8 in the morning, well, 9 in the morning, feeling myself. Now I think I'm gonna go in and do a little mother pat. So I let my mom use this concealer, and she was like, I gotta get that. And she asked me, can she have it? I said, girl, no, I'm so sorry. No ma'am. If you are like OG to my channel, I started calling bronzer Bronze Tour because, I mean, technically we're using it as a bronzer and a contour, like most people do. You get a color that's dark enough to give you some shadow, but like warm enough to bronze you up. So I just started calling it Bronze Tour. Now, I don't know if I picked that up from somebody, and I'm not going to sit here and say I made it up, but I don't be hearing people say it. I hear them say Tan Tour, and Huda Beauty has the Tan Tour, and I heard another phrase before, but I've never heard Bronze Tour, so yeah. I've been eating a little too good. So this chin, girl, it's more than a double at this point. Let me not say nothing bad about myself, because I'm still that girl. Long story short, though, I just love giving my face dimension. Girl, what can I use to blend out? Oh, I can use this little brush to blend this out up here. You see, this is why I don't put too much foundation up here, because I don't want to risk messing up my hair. That'd be my main thing, my hair. I don't care about nothing else but my hair. If you are blonde, baldy, you know. You understand. This brush is so good. I'm gonna link these down below because these right here, the truth. This brow is like a little bit unruly, but I like it. And this one over here is like more, like a lot neater. And I like both of the brows. I just wish like both of them had the same vibe because right now they're giving adopted siblings. Like, I just been in the mood to like create fall looks, which is why I bought all this new stuff. And I ordered some more makeup too, y'all. I ordered some colorful eyeshadow palettes, so I'm excited for those to come in. This is Love by Rare Beauty. Put a little too much. Ooh. No such thing as too much. What did I, girl? So pretty though. It's getting a little bit messy. The face is sitting. This is the stage where I start to feel excited about my makeup. Like, once all the definition is like, you know, stunning. This is so freaking stinking pretty. Like, just look at the face. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and set with some powder. So, I haven't picked up my Fenty loose setting powder in a hot minute. Because she's very, very dry. I'm using my dry beauty sponge technique. I'm gonna pat it off on the back of my hands. I used to love it. But now it kind of like makes my under eye. You know what I should have did? I should have put more moisturizer and maybe even an eye cream. And Fenty gives you like coverage. For some reason, like if I messed up my makeup, this powder right here will literally bring it back to life. Let's go ahead and do some bronzer because I'm low-key looking like Mikael Myers. Where's my Patrick Star bronzer? This bronzer, know it did some things to me. Girl, I love this bronzer. All right, so now I'm gonna take the middle shade, which is Serve. And this is gonna actually bronze up my face. Girl, this bronzer is like unreal. And then I'm gonna take the deepest shade, Chocolate Covered, and use that to contour. Oh my goodness. This is just so good. Oh, sure pretty. Literally. Babe. I don't know why I be thinking I'm from the freaking UK. Like, is this offensive? Please don't take it that way. Y'all know how in my last video, I did the baking method like this. And I was like, oh God, like that looks like Michael Jackson. I actually really like the way it's shaped my nose. I don't know what possessed me to just do that, but we did it. It's done. While this is baking and brewing, I think I want to just darken up the eyes a wee bit. Let me see. Alrighty, so I guess we are ready to go ahead and do a lip. The lashes like really brought this look together. Of course, we're going to do Trendsetter by Morphe. This lip liner, I need another one. Like, I need to find it ASAP. Okay, so we got our lip liner on. Let me see what our lip options are. So I have two lip glosses. I have the Fenty Cream in Honey Waffles and the Morphe lip gloss in the shade Sweet Tea. And then I also have the Morphe lipstick in the shade Sweet Tea. So I guess let's go ahead and just try the lipstick. Is this gonna be too... Oh, shit, I love this. Hold the phone. That is so pretty. Girl, let me blend in the lipstick just a bit more. Let's wipe off this bake, girl, because what? Oof. I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder because I look that good. Anyway, so to wipe off this bake today, I wanted to pick back up the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360. When I had this, when I was like loving it, I was loving it. So I hope we're using today. And this powder just smooths everything out so beautifully. Oh my goodness. Not I outdid myself. My fan is dead. See, now I gotta improvise. The fan had one job. Couldn't even do that. This is illegal. This is illegal. To look this good is a crime. Okay, let me shut up. Girl, the look is done. This is the look, okay? Oh wait, mascara. That's the look, girl. I can't even stop looking in the viewfinder because I just look so pretty. Okay. This is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching and listening to me talk and ramble. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I'm feeling myself. I gotta get off this camera so I can take some pictures because girl, the face is sitting. I don't even know what did it. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you. I think incorporating Miss Fenty again has given me more of a full coverage look. And I actually think I like that. I'm loving it. Like, I just look so good. I love this lip. If you are a dark skinned girl and you like that like chocolatey, nudie, peachy, brownie nude, this is your go-to right here. Sweet Tea from Morphe. This right here is effective, but it's simple, you know? That's my whole vibe. Effective, but simple. So thanks so much again. Y'all know if I don't shut up, if I don't stop myself from talking, we're going to be here for a long time. So I'm going to just let y'all go. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I will see y'all in the next video.